Years ago, we were lucky to have to find one or two Linux laptops options available, but now you would be surprised to see how many laptops are sold with the Linux installed, making it a great time for programmers using the open source alternative to Windows and Mac OS. Linux-based laptops are also great for high school and college students looking to expand their knowledge and skill sets. With so many options available, we can now be selective with the how we spend our money on or what are our requirements. In this video, I will be showing you 5 different Linux installed laptops that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Asus VivoBook Pro 15 OLED, the best battery life in a Linux laptop. It will offer you up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge. If you are in the market for a Linux capable laptop with an impressive battery life, the Asus VivoBook Pro is your best bet. On a full charge, you can get up to 14.5 hours of use, which means you'll be able to work and stream all day and well into the night before you have to think about plugging in. The 15.6-inch OLED display gives you incredible colors, contrast and detailing for more lifelike images. It is also Pantone validated for color accuracy, making it great for creative professionals and digital artists. The VivoBook Pro also keeps your work and personal information safe from unauthorized access with a fingerprint reader to replace traditional passwords with the biometric logins. You will also get a ton of power and performance for rendering art and 3D modeling files, photos and videos. Buy this amazing laptop for its long-lasting battery life, OLED display, Pantone validated display, NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics. The only disappointment here is it is a bit expensive. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, the best budget laptop that comes installed with a Linux. If you are just starting out learning how to work with a Linux, or you are looking for an affordable laptop to use to refine your programming skills, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 retails under just $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupees while still offering premium grade performance. It's built with the AMD Ryzen 5 7000 series processor, that is 753U CPU, 8GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage, which makes it a great for everything from web browsing and streaming to everyday office work. It also has an impressive 12 hours of battery life, which means you can spend more time working and less time searching for an outlet to recharge. The 15.6-inch display produces 1080p resolution for great images and contrast, while an anti-glare coating and blue light filter help reduce eye strain and fatigue. Buy this amazing laptop for its affordable price, great battery life and anti-glare and blue light filter display. Acer Swift Edge, the best display laptop that comes installed with a Linux. For creative professionals who prefer to work in Linux over Windows or Mac OS, the Acer Swift Edge is a great option for a quality display as well as powerful internals. The 16-inch screen provides excellent 4K resolution as well as up to 100% of DCI-P3 color game mode for ultra accurate colors. It also has a 92% screen to body ratio, which means you will get more viewing and working area on your screen instead of wide, sort of ugly and bezel. You can also overclock the AMD Ryzen 6800U processor to up to 4.7 GHz for extra power when you need it for rendering 3D models, finished photos or video files. The Acer Swift Edge has a lightweight design, coming in at just under 2.5 pounds, making it great for on-the-go creative professionals whose offices are remotely located, or they can use this laptop wherever or take this laptop wherever they go and work. by this amazing laptop for its lightweight design, 100% DCI-P3 color range, 4K OLED display and good battery life. HP Omen 17, the best Linux laptop for gaming. While Linux supported games are not exactly widespread, there are studios out there developing games for operating system, and this is just amazing and unexpected. The HP Omen 17 is built from the ground up to be one of the best gaming laptops you can buy with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, Intel Core i7 13th generation HX series processor, 16GB of RAM and 1TB of solid state drive for storage. The 17.3-inch display produces great 1440p resolution as well as 165Hz refresh rate to reduce annoying screen tearing and stuttering during intense action scenes. The Omen 17 supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for faster and more reliable wireless internet speeds and better connection to wireless peripherals like mice and handsets, and it also has one of the better battery lives of any gaming laptop, coming in at around 5 hours. Buy this amazing laptop for its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, 13th generation Intel Core i7, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support and 165Hz refresh rate. Dell XPS 15, overall the best Linux laptop. If you are looking for a solid, dependable laptop that you can use as either your main Linux machine or to do dual boot Windows and Linux, the Dell XPS 15 is the best choice. It has tons of configuration options, letting you choose up to 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor, up to 64GB of RAM, 8TB of storage, that is up to 8TB of storage, and NVIDIA's latest GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. The 15.6-inch display uses either a Full HD Plus LED or a 4K OLED panel for incredible detailing, color and contrast. With the two Thunderbolt 4 ports, you will be able to connect secondary displays, charge devices or transfer files from other hard drives to streamline your workflow. This is an amazing laptop that comes with a beautiful and immersive display, long-lasting battery life, powerful internals and much more. So overall it's the best laptop for everything and also best laptop with the Linux installed. Buy this amazing laptop for its tons of configuration options available, OLED display available and decent battery life. So these are the 5 amazing best laptops that comes with the Linux installed. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.